Welcome to this video on how to make money as an online travel agent. With the rise of the internet and the convenience it brings, more and more people are booking their travel plans online. And that's where you come in. As an online travel agent, you can help people plan their trips and earn money while doing so. To get started, you'll need to build your travel knowledge and expertise. Research destinations and travel options extensively, and stay up to date with industry trends and changes. This will help you offer valuable insights to your clients. Next, you'll need to create an online presence. Build a website or a social media page where potential clients can learn about your services and reach out to you. Make sure to highlight your expertise and the benefits of booking with you. When it comes to finding clients, social media can be your best friend. Join travel groups on Facebook and other platforms, and offer advice and recommendations to those seeking travel advice. This can help build your reputation and attract potential clients. You can also partner with other travel-related businesses, such as hotels or airlines, to offer your clients discounts and package deals. This can make your services even more appealing and help you stand out in a crowded market. In conclusion, becoming an online travel agent can be a lucrative and fulfilling career. By building your knowledge, creating an online presence, and finding creative ways to attract clients, you can make a name for yourself in the travel industry and earn money doing what you love.